up a 160 balloon and leave about a 3-finger tail at the end. Then make a 4-finger loop and twist. Tuck the nozzle of the balloon into the loop. Continue to make 4-finger loops until you've used up the entire balloon. If at any point the balloon feels too tight, just squeeze it before making another loop. This is what it should look like so far. If there's a piece left over that's too short to loop, simply cut off the tip and wrap it around the balloon. Then pump up another 160 balloon and make sure it's the same color. This one should also have a 3-finger tail at the end. Wrap the nozzle of the second balloon around the first. Then continue to make 4-finger loops until you've used up the second balloon as well. Just as before, if there's a piece left that's too short to loop, cut off the tip and wrap it around the balloon. Next, pump up a green 260 balloon. This will be the flower stem. You should only pump it up about 3/4 of the way. Wrap the nozzle of the 260 balloon around the center of the flower petals. Squeeze the stem to distribute the air and then make a 2 or 3-finger loop. Then make another loop the same size. Squeeze the balloon again and make a 4-finger loop. Then make another loop the same size. If the end of the balloon is still deflated at all, squeeze the balloon one last time to distribute the air. If you'd like to make this balloon, you will need a pump, scissors, a green 260 balloon, and 2 160 balloons. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.